welcome back to our final episode of Getting Registered at LeTourneau. If you're watching this video, that means you have made it through this whole series, and I want to congratulate you on the progress you've made. We're almost done, so let's jump right into the final step of the registration checklist in My LETU. So View Pay My Bill is located near the bottom of the list, so let's click on it and get there and jump right into it. So here we've got a page that shows your schedule, your course schedule as it's been set up through the course selections, the related charges on your student account and applied financial aid for the semester, as well as your final balance. So if everything looks good to you, look this over real quick. Once it looks the way you want it to, hit the continue button in the bottom right. And here we're gonna get a page which asks us to either select payment plan or pay in full. Those are your two options. So you can either pay in full right now or set up a payment plan and pay for the first installment of that plan. Now, before you choose one of those options, keep in mind that if you alter your schedule by dropping or swapping courses before the deadline, you'll need to confirm your courses again on this page. As always, contact the financial aid and student accounts departments for any questions you have before completing this step. So once you finalize your payment arrangements, either through a credit card or by linking a bank account, you will be confirmed to start classes. That's what we've been reaching towards this whole time. You'll be done. Head back to the registration checklist, and at the bottom, your red X's should all be green check marks, and you'll have a message that says you are confirmed to start classes. So congratulations on reaching that step and finishing this process. We are so excited for you to be joining our community of builders, and I'm so glad that you're here. I hope this video series has helped guide you through this registration process, and I wish you well in your academic journey at LeTourneau. Thank you so much for watching, and welcome one more time to our community of builders.